Welcome. If you're tired of Pinterest automatically starting up on your mobile device and want to take back control of your battery and data, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to turn off Pinterest Auto Start on your phone. This quick guide will help you keep Pinterest from running in the background so you can save battery life and improve your phone's performance. Let's jump right in. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is the hub where you can customize almost everything about your phone, including how apps behave in the background. Next, scroll down until you find the option labeled Battery and Device Care. Tap on it. This section is all about optimizing your phone's health, keeping your battery in check, and making sure your device runs smoothly. Once you're inside Battery and Device Care, look for the battery option and tap it. Here, you'll see details about your battery usage, and you'll find tools to help manage which apps are allowed to run when you're not actively using them. Now, find and tap Background Usage Limits. This is where you can control which apps have permission to operate in the background. By limiting background usage, you can prevent apps like Pinterest from starting up automatically and using up resources when you don't need them. In the Background Usage Limits menu, you'll see an option to add apps to sleeping apps. Tap on this, then find Pinterest in your list of installed apps, select Pinterest, and add it to the sleeping apps list. That's it. By adding Pinterest to your sleeping apps, you've stopped it from auto-starting and running in the background. From now on, Pinterest will only work when you open it, helping you save battery and reduce unnecessary data usage. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.